Chapter 1 Real Numbers Class 9th Objective Part. See, under root a dot under root b, this can be written as under root of a into b. So where e, first one is option E, a divides by b. That means under root a division under root b, this can be written as root a by root b. This can be written as root of a by b. See which one is option number D. So 2 is D. M root a n. What is given? M root power n. This can be written as a power n whole power 1 by m. This can be written as a power n into 1 by m. This can be written as a power n into 1 means n by m. This is the answer. See, option A is the answer of this question. This a plus b, a minus b form. What is given? Root a plus b, root a minus b. This can be written as, this is a plus b into a minus b form. That means a square minus b square. This formula is useful. So a square means what? Root a whole square minus, as per this formula, b whole square. This square root and square cancel. Here is a minus b square is the answer. Which one is right? C. So fourth one is C. Next, fifth one, what is given? Fifth one is root a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square formula. That means a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here a is what? Root a. So root a whole square. That means a square. B square means what? B. B whole square plus 2. A means what? Root a. B means what? B as it is. B. So this means this root and square cancel. That means a plus b square plus 2 b root a. I have written like this. See which one. So option is something a plus 2b root a plus b square, like that given option. So which one? Option B is the right answer of the given question. This is the match the following. Now move to next question. See here also group A, group B form is given. First one is Q is a rational and S is an irrational. So something should be given or what? Second question, see here a plus b into a minus b form. A plus b into a minus b, isn't it? A plus b into a minus b form. So what is given? Root 3 minus root 5 into root 3 plus root 5. So here a minus b into a plus b, that is equals to a square minus b square. Here a is what? Root 3. B is what? Root 5. Isn't it? That means a square means root 3 whole square minus b square means root 5 whole square. Root square cancel. That means 3 minus 5. That means 3 minus 5 can be written as minus 3 minus 2. plus 3 minus 3 cancel. What is the final value? Minus 2. See, where minus 2 is not there, but see the options: irrational and rational. So minus 2 is what? Which number? Minus 2 is a rational number. So this means option A, rational number. Now next, take the third one. What is given? Root 7 minus 4 into root 7 plus 4. Same, a minus b into a plus b form, that is equals to a square minus b square. Same here, a is what? Root 7, b is what? 4. So a square minus b square. This square, this is square, this root cancel. So 7 minus 4 square means 4 into 4, 4 for the 16, minus 16. That means 7 minus 16. Here minus 9. Why? Because of bigger value have a negative sign. So that's why you should take the negative sign. That means C. Which option is right? Option C is the right answer. That means third one is C. See the fourth question. Root 10 value is given, then root 40 how much? See. So root 40. This can be written as 4 into 10. 4 tens are 40. Isn't it? So under root of AB is equals to root A into root B form. This can be right as this. That means root 4 into root 10. So here 4 equals to 2 into 2. That means 2 square. Isn't it? So now write root 2 square into root 10. This root and square cancel. That means 2 into root 10. Root 10 value is already given 3.162. So that means 2 into 3.162. See here, 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, 2 1 is there, 2 1s are 2 plus 1 means 3, 2 3s are 6. After a decimal point, how many digits are there? 1 2 3. So 1 2 3, put a decimal here. After a decimal point, 3 digits are there. Yes, 6.324 is the answer of the given question. C. Option number E. E is the answer of the fourth question. What is remains? And fifth and first, isn't it? So pi is what? Pi is a transcendental. So pi is B. That means fifth one is B, and last one is what will happen there? There is only D is irrational. So first one is a irrational. Which option is that? D. So this is the answers of the given question. Thank you.